guys, welcome to my channel Learn SQL with Shahid. In previous session I have discussed about linked server. So I have discussed about the two options that we most use in our environments. So for example, now I have 2025 instance here. I can connect to 2016 instance. So I have did last time from 2016 to 2025. Now we can connect from 2025 to 2016 as well, vice versa. So I have explained about how to create the linked server. Right click new linked server. Then you can have to view that instance which you are connecting. Security context. Means I have discussed this be made using the login's current security context. Means login Shahid should be present here and login Shahid should be present on the 2016 instance as well. So if it will support myself, okay, my login should be present there. So then we can use this option. And be made using the security context means we have to for Shahid Raju will help. Arrest whichever the login we give. For example, Suresh, if it is present in 2016, you can use Suresh as well. So like this, Suresh will help Shahid. And one more option is being made without using a security context means I have already given here linked server name. Then if you go to security, here we can add here Raju login is present in 2025. Yesterday I have created. So if you go and expand this, Raju login is there. And if you connect to database engine of 2016, you expand security login, then you will find here Suresh login. Okay, setting in 2025, I am connecting to 2016. So Raju will be local login. Remote login user will be Suresh. And whatever the Suresh password is there, we can view the Suresh password here. Then we can click it on OK. So the linked server has created. This option we have to get the certificate here. If you go to security, we need certificate for this. Being made without a security context means we have to get certificate. Okay. Here one more option is there. Same thing like general. You have to give or a special type of linked server also I have explained. That is Shahid DB link. Okay. Or else you can give SQL DB link. Here we have OLDB provider. Okay. So we can use this option, or else we can use client native. Okay. So in both the option we can use any one of the option. Okay. SQL Server. This one Microsoft OLDB driver for SQL Server. And product name we have to give SQL Server. And then data source here we need to give that instance name. Then provider string you can neglect this. Here catalog means whatever the login has to be accessed the database name particularly also I can mention, but we won't mention anything here. Just in general we have to give these options. If one DB want to be accessed, we have to give here only catalog. In catalog particular database we can mention. So not made to be. Okay. So for this option only the linked server will be created. For future use we won't use, just will create. Okay. See here we will be getting an error. Means we won't use much this option. We will be using only those options only. But linked server has been created. If you right click refresh, then here here you will be getting that linked server. So that option also it can be used. But linked server will be created. Okay. But we have not provided here any logins. So that is no use. We'll be using this most of the time, this option only. Hope you might have understood. Now I will be continuing with auditing. Okay. What is auditing? So as CCTV camera, everything footage we will get, right? If any incident happen, if any thieves get stolen, something like that. So if a thief stores, we'll be seeing the CCTV camera like that. If we enable auditing in SQL Server, we can find out who are the logins has entered into the SQL Server and who are the logins log out from SQL Server, and also many more. So how to do auditing? We have to go to security, then we'll be finding here uh, audits. In audits, right click new audit. Okay. So what and all options will be there? I will be showing that. In my audit name, you have to give my first my audit file. You can mention like that. My audit file. Then here Q delay in milliseconds means the 1000 seconds means milliseconds means 1 second. Okay, so you can use 5000 millisecond as well. That is that will be 5 seconds. Means I will be keeping default only here 1000 milliseconds. And also what is this Q delay in milliseconds means uh, in 1 second it should be held in queue. Okay, to get into the logs. Logs means here one file will be generating. In that logs will be generated the auditing. So where can we create those files? Okay, you can go to any of the drive, C drive. You can have to create one folder. Okay, new folder. Folder name you can give it as audit. So now the folder name is created. Okay. So Q means 1000 1 second. In 1 second it should be in queue, and then it has to log to the log file. So where and all these audit logs will be saved means just now I created one folder called audit on C drive. Here on audit folder we'll be finding audit logs. So let us now continue with the options available. On audit log failure, this means we continue. This means whenever the audit logs get failed, okay, due to lack of disk space issue, disk space got filled. Okay, so you can consider that an example. If on audit log failure, audit log gets failed now if disk is full, then user can connect to SQL Server. Second option is fail operation. On audit log failure, SQL Server user can't connect. He can't connect to SQL with SQL login. And third option is shutdown SQL Server. Shutdown SQL Server means if on audit login failure, SQL Server should be shut down. Okay. So this is very important in banking sectors. Okay, audit is very important. Then SQL Server to be online. So audit fails, then SQL Server will shut down. This is also one important thing to be noted. Here we have file. Okay, you have to select file and path. Just now we have created one folder in C drive audit. You can select this and click on OK. Then logs will be generated, and here we have audit file. Okay, maximum rollover files. We have unlimited. What is this option means? Here we have maximum file size, right? Like we can create up to 1 GB, 1 GB, or 5 MB. You can create on TBs as well. Here we have TBs as well. Whatever option is required as per your company's policy, you can go. So if I select on 1 GB for example, if I select here maximum number of files, okay, this is unlimited. It goes on till the disk space. Okay, whatever the disk space is available, it will go to that extent. Here we can create as 10 files. Okay, 10 files means 1 GB files is there, no, into 10 files. Okay, 10 GB files will be created. One file's capacity is 1 GB and another file capacity is 1 GB. Like that 10 files will be created here. And reserved space means if I click on this, whatever the 1 GB if I create here, then it will consider that only. If we so now 18.6 is there, no GB. If I go and right click enable this audit, then you will see here 17.6 GB, because 1 GB is reserved, okay. 17.5 GB here. See, 1 GB is reserved. Means like the disk will fill with zeros and reserved for audit only. So that is the option provided as reserved disk. Now I have enabled, right? Right click and enabled this audit file. So you can go to now server audit specification. You have to click right click and take new server audit specification. In this you have to in name I had to give new, okay, new name you have to give, that we can give my first audit, you can give. And in audit now just now we created one audit file, so you can take that, okay. If you drop down, I will be getting that. Here whatever the login audits you want to do, for example login log out, here I can find it out, failed login group and login group, and also I can pick something like logout group as well. So I have selected this much, okay. Whoever the users or logins will connect to this SQL server, we had to get that logs and all. Successful login or else failed log group, okay, login group or logout group, okay. I am selecting this and I will be clicking on OK. So now my first audit has been created at instance level, okay, instance level. So what I can do, right click, enable this server audit specification. Now the server audit specification is created and enabled. So what I can do is, here I have to disconnect, I can connect with Raju login. If Raju, now I have created with Shahid, now I will change the connection to Raju, that is SQL authentication. Raju can connect to this. If Raju has permission or not, I have to check. 2025, right? Yeah, 2025 Raju has. Here I have to go to SQL authentication. I have to give Raju again. Now Raju will connect to this SQL server. Raju has connected now. Also the Raju is sysadmin, I think, in this. So what he can do, Raju is not sysadmin, okay. So I can go to with my login here again, Windows authentication. I will connect with my login only. In audit, here in audit you have to right click view audit logs. If you click on this, means here we will be getting, okay, who has login, logged out and failed login, failed logout and all, we will be getting to know here, okay. So if I take here, Raju has logged in. So many times it has been showed login successful, okay. Here, if you like this, you can check and do many more other audits also. Rather than this login, logout, can do others as well. Like for example, I have here backup and restore group also I can do. Batch started group also I can do. That means query started, when it is completed, also batch completed here. When it is when the query is completed, that and all you can find out. So if you go here, you can customize this in properties. Not here, here in a specific server audit specification properties, you you can go here, batch started, backup and restore, batch started, batch started group, batch completed group. You can click on OK. You can do this like guys, whatever the audits you want to do, you can do. And for example, I will disconnect this Raju login. I will give wantedly wrong password here. Failed login group is there now. Now I will be going to the SQL authentication Raju. I will give wantedly wrong password. I will connect it, won't connect here. So now what I can do here, I can go right click, view audit logs. Here if we see on right, yeah, this one Raju login failed here. So I have given 3 parameters, means 3 auditing options. Failed login group, successful login group. I have showed you this failed login. Now Raju has failed. Raju has connected to SQL Server, which is login successfully, and logged out also we can see in this. So hope you might have understood this concept. And if you go here, you can create same like another audit also, new audit. You can give it as my second audit, and you can select this whatever the feature you want. Here continue means and log audit failure means we can continue to connect to SQL Server. Logins can connect to SQL Server. Fail operation means login should not connect to SQL Server. Shutdown means whenever the audit log is failed, then SQL Server should shut down. Here we'll be giving some 2 files. You can select here 5 MB I will be selecting. And here in path I have to give that audit path. Then you have to click second audit also got created. You have to enable like this. So you can customize as per your wish, and there are a lot of options. If you go to properties, here you have a lot of options. Whatever you want to audit, you can audit. Server operation group, server permission chain group, a lot of options are there. Transaction begin group, transaction commit, transaction got committed, that and all you can audit. Also rollback is there. User change password. If any one changes the user password, that also you can track. Lot of things are there to audit. So hope you might have understood this concept. And also here we have a database level audit as well. If you expand this database, you will be finding in security database audit specification. You have to go to new database audit specification. My DB1 level audit, you can give any name like this. You have to select the same file what we have created. Okay, we have 2 files, first and second. First I am selecting, then here you can select whatever you want to audit. You can inserts are there, deletes are there. So you can give on object level, that is table level. And object level means here you can browse, okay, whatever the tables present in that object in the database. table 1 is present, you can click on OK. Okay, and also you can select a particular user who is accessing this table. You can audit those users as well. You can browse here and you can select Raju. If you want to track Raju, if you want to see Raju what and all he is doing on inserts, you can rank that also. What means at what time he has inserted the query, at what time he had deleted, who deleted, and all. You can check that, okay, on database level. Also, you can do at schema level as well. Schema, you can select the particular schema and then you have to give that object name and whatever the principal if you want to give, or else you can't. If you don't want, you can remove this. You don't want to remove this and click on OK. Then the auditing, there are a lot of ways to do, like insert, update, delete, and at object level, database level, at schema level, lot of things are there to do. So I hope you might have understood this concept. Thank you guys for your time and patience. That's all for today's class. In next class, I will be discussing about orphan users. So bye, take care.